Mission for Ambition with Dragon and Chris the Green here.
My name is Phoenix,
The Phoenix here.
otherwise known as the
We're
504. Why did I put this in my deck? Oh yeah, because
we're gonna be doing a duel because we like to duel. I'm gonna be using my competitive windups.
and I'm
Whereas
using
in
my
the previous
primitive.
duel, my friend on our team was using a non-competitive windup. This is very different. Shit, my shovel at the bottom is trying to pull upside down. I'm sure, Chris, you're already. God, why do I keep shuffling like that badly?
Oh, I activated reload. I must reload. Here, that's better.
Okay, dice. I rolled Christy good. I rolled.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Was it looking at me?
Yeah, that's you.
Oh, that's good. Okay, Christy.
Yeah, the camera's gay because it was staring at you.
I know, bro.
And I'm gay because I like men.
Okay, Christy good. I rolled a 4 on the dice.
Okay, you rolled a 4 on the dice, and I rolled a 2.
I'll go first again. Oh, I have a horrible hand again. Why is it always talk that close to cards whenever I'm in on the camera duel?
Hey.
Oh, I got first place at the tournament today.
Congratulations.
I'm again.
You're a homosexual individual.
Oh.
MST. Yeah, I was gonna play complications. Yeah, that's fine. Conversation. Oh, I can't do that.
I'm gonna get your stupid iPhone off of here.
Your Thunder King Ryan was homosexual. It's an
So.
iPhone 4S. It's expensive.
My iPod Touch was
My
not
penis.
expensive.
I'll set this and then.
We will be playing a match. MST.
Chain MST.
That card went to the top. That's MST.
What? Oh.
Yeah. Thunder King Punch.
Okay.
Go Nagoon.
I draw this Yu-Gi-Oh card. Let's get this back row and end my turn. The fuck?
Boys, look at me again?
Yeah. The fuck's wrong with you, dog?
Damn you.
There, stare at me. I'm sexier.
Okay. I don't think so.
Oh yeah.
Set. Thunder King attack.
Okay.
Dang it. We'll just keep it like that. Okay, your turn to do.
Okay, now it's my turn. I play Dark Penis.
You have horrible camera quality. See, I can search. You sucker.
And then I play Conversation.
Search out Shark.
Shark. That's the most powerful card in all of duel almost. For E set.
Should be very difficult.
Summon it. Tribute. Special effect.
Nagoon always gets that Yu-Gi-Oh card.
This is no longer Photon Hieratics. This is Kick-Ass Hieratics.
God, stop looking at me. Damn.
Now I'll exceed summon for this guy. Or girl. I have no idea what that is. It's probably in
I'm
God.
gonna be chaining Maxi to that.
Oh, you chain Maxi now. So that's 1. Congratulations.
My turn Nagoon.
I attack for 26.
Yeah.
Go.
I draw. Okay, that's epic. Magician. Shark. Shark level 3. My God, needle ceiling. Why?
Needle Ceiling is gay. It's a stupid
We might have to restart this video and then go sit on the floor and do this.
But sitting on the floor is homosexual.
I don't know. Detach. That's a defense. Exceed summon.
My boost gives me super strength.
My boost gives me super strength. Detach.
That's from card games for the win.
Triggering.
Watch their videos, they're funny and shit.
26.
That's 26. That's the most powerful card in all of Duel Monsters.
Too bad. I had to get 2 shards because my other magician's in my hand.
Oh no. most powerful card in all of the duel.
Who and Adrius? Oh no.
Oh no.
Spell cards are unacceptable.
Unacceptable. Sound like I said a bluff.
Papillopative attack.
Oh no.
Shockmaster attack for 23.
Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, says the camera. I just like you, Brenton. No homo.
Yes, no homo.
All of the homo.
Your turn, Tristan.
I draw this Yu-Gi-Oh card. I set this card face down, and I'll end my turn.
Okay, heavy storm.
Chain on that.
Econ? Sure, bro. To defense mode. I will not make it go to attack mode.
Oh no.
You're a boss, you.
Thank you.
So how much life points you at?
19.
Shockmaster attack per game?
Yeah. Funny.
No, Lagoon.
Screw the vagina. I have a vagina.
Okay, Lagoon, you can cancel this video now. Stop it and upload. And then we'll make another video for game 2. We're gonna call this one game 1.
Okay. Game 1. And then we get to edit our decks the way we want them to, and then make a game 2.
No, Lagoon, we're not gonna edit our decks.
Oh.
We'll just put the same decks.
But I need to edit my deck.
Why is that, Lagoon? Because you lost?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. You just had a bad hand.
No. That's not true.
Okay, Lagoon, shut the video off.
Shut the video off in 5,
Just shut it off.
4,